So following on from the previous video, looking at this area here, we want to establish which would give us a bigger volume, us rotating it 360 along this axis or us rotating it 360 along this axis here. Okay, so the first part of the question is to try and work out the volume when we rotate it along this axis. So we are going to sum up all the washers. So you summing up all the washers from 0 to 2. So summing up all the washers will give you a volume of this. Okay, so if you can evaluate this, then that will give you the volume when you rotate it along the x equals -1 axis. Okay, so the volume will be given by this. So now it's just a matter of working it out. So notice that pi, you can factor out the pi. Pi is a constant because you're doing it. Well, pi is a constant. Take it out. It will give you this, and then evaluate this. So tidy this up. Hang on. So multiply this out. It will give you this, and then blah blah blah, and then that would then take us to this stage here. Now our integration, our technique of integration is still very weak. So let's try and break this up so it's easier. Our level of integration at this precise moment in time is very weak. So let's just break everything up. So hang on, let's just concentrate on breaking this bit up. So multiply this out. So this times by itself. Okay, so let's multiply this out so that we can integrate it. So just because our level of integration, our integration skill is very weak. So let's just break it up. So this times this will be 1. This times this will give you this. 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 This times this, blah blah blah. That will then take you to here, and then tidy up. It will give you this. So we were here. So we were here. So this block here is this whole thing here. Okay. So let's just put this thing into that. Well, it will then take you to this stage here. It will then take you to this stage here. Okay. So it's just us putting this whole thing here into this bit here, okay, and I forgot a bracket here, okay, and then yeah, so this thing here, put it into here, and then tidy it up, okay. So hang on. So now this thing here will give you a -1. This thing here will give you a positive y squared. This thing here will be negative, blah blah blah. That will then take you to this stage here, and then this and this will cancel out. This and this will become this, and so on. Okay, that will then take you to this stage here, and then this stage here, and then you yeah. So now you can integrate. So integrate this thing here. It will. Well, integrate this, it will give you this, integrate this, it will give you this, integrate this, it will give you this, and so on. And then that will give you blah, blah. It will take you to approximately this, okay? Just jump to your calculator here and just punch this in, and then times pi, and then it will give you an approximation. So the area, the volume is given by this.